If you are still doing everything manually in After Effects, you are wasting hours every single week and you don't even realize it. These three plugins completely changed how I work. By the end of this video, they will change how you work too. You set your keyframes, open the graph editor, drag handles around for 5 minutes and it still looks lifeless. We all have been there. Flow gives you a full library of professional easing curves and you can see the actual curve shape right in the panel before you apply it. So you are not guessing anymore, you know exactly what you are picking. Select your keyframes, pick your curve, click done and instant polish. And yeah, you can create your own custom curves. And once you start using this plugin, there is no going back. How many times a day do you click through menus just to apply an effect or run a script? Effect menu, sub menu, scroll, click over and over. Hundreds of times a day and you have just accepted it. K-bar lets you turn any action into a single button. Effects, scripts, expression, menu commands, one click and it's done. No menus, no scrolling, nothing. This easily saves 30 to 45 minutes per project. Over a month, that's full working day. Unlike the previous one, you can create your own bar. Like this is my own custom bar. I can apply drop shadow with one click, glow with one click, bounce expression with one click. It only takes few minutes to set up. All you have to do is to just click add button, assign the effect to the button and just click OK. The last one solves the frustration every motion designer knows. You just spend 20 minutes building a really solid setup. Layers are structured right, effects are dialed in, expression are tying everything together perfectly. It looks great, then you need it in another project. You build it completely from the scratch. Save Object tool lets you save any setup as a reusable object. Expressions, effects, layers, structure, everything preserved exactly how you build it. And your library grows with every project. That text animation from the last week, saved. The transition you perfected, saved. You never start from scratch again. And that's it. Flow for smooth animation, K-bar for speed, Save Object for never rebuilding the same thing twice. And links will be in the description or on the Discord server. And yeah, drop your favorite plugin in the comment section.